The north dealing with tornadoes, but if you live around Houston, you know that flooding, hurricanes, and hailstorms are a fact of life here, and so is the risk of damage. But a bill making its way to the governor's desk could change how much your insurance company pays out to you if your home or business gets damaged in a storm. Adam Bennett breaks it down.
You are tearing me apart, Lisa!
Bad actors.
It's the wonder of nature, baby!
And storm chasers. Fun when they show up in the movies, not so much fun when they show up in real life to exploit your family or your business.
That's how supporters of House Bill 1774 describe trial lawyers looking for a big payout after a storm. And look, I know, this has newspaper story written all over it. It's confusing and hard to understand, but this could easily affect you. And here's why. Houston has everything. We have hurricanes, hail, and remember how many times it's flooded in just the last 2 years.
People elect us to come here and get the job done.
Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick called passing this bill one of his top 10 priorities this session. And Governor Greg Abbott supports it too. The bill would lower penalties on insurance companies if they don't pay out enough in claims, cut down the odds that they'll have to pay back attorney fees to the property owners suing, and protect individual agents from lower credit scores and the other downsides of being sued. The bill's got the backing of several business groups, insurance groups, and chambers of commerce across the state.
Now, supporters say this bill will help discourage unnecessary lawsuits, which they say will help keep your monthly insurance costs down. And they say you can still sue if you're not happy with your payout. So your rights are still protected. But many against this bill, like Houston Senator John Whitmire, think the opposite. They argue if you're less likely to get your lawyer fees paid back, you're less likely to file the lawsuit in the first place. It would just be too expensive. They say insurers that wrongfully delay your claim will be penalized less, and this could force many cases into backlogged federal courts, tipping the scales of justice toward the insurance companies. Back to you.